Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are talking about the brand new Google Pixel One OA, a phone that is making headlines because of its graded AI features, improved camera system, and a surprising design refresh. If you're thinking of buying the Google Pixel One OA, or you are simply curious about what Google has changed this year, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will be covering everything: the design, display performance, camera, battery life, charging, software features, and most importantly, whether this phone is worth buying or not. So let's get started. The Google Pixel One OA brings a new and fresh design language. Google has made the phone slimmer, lighter, and more premium. You get a matte finish on the back which feels soft and comfortable in the hand. The fingerprint scanner is placed under the display, making it look modern and clean. The iconic Pixel camera bar has also been redesigned to be sleeker. This time, the device is built with recycled aluminum and durable Gorilla Glass protection on the front. Overall, the Pixel One OA looks and feels more premium than any previous A-series device. Moving to the display, the Pixel One OA features a 6.1-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution. But the biggest upgrade is the 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling smoother and animations more fluid. Colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness has been increased, meaning the screen is easily visible even under direct sunlight. If you watch YouTube, movies, or scroll social media, this display will give you a flagship-level experience. Inside the Pixel One OA, Google has added its next-generation Tensor D4 chip. This chipset is designed for AI tasks, real-time language translation, on-device processing, and faster app loading. For everyday usage like Instagram, TikTok, gaming, multitasking, and camera usage, the Pixel One OA performs smoothly with no lag. Games like PUBG, Free Fire, and Call of Duty run very well on medium to high settings. You also get 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB storage, giving you plenty of space for apps and photos. Now let's talk about the main highlight of every Pixel phone, the camera. The Pixel One OA comes with a 6.4MP main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide sensor. Google has upgraded the processing engine, making photos sharper, clearer, and more realistic. You get features like Night Sight, Real Tone for accurate skin colors, Magic Eraser, Photo and Blur, Cinematic Blur in videos, AI-enhanced portrait shots. The video quality is also improved. You can shoot 4K videos with excellent stabilization that keeps your footage smooth even while walking. Selfie lovers will be happy with the new 13MP front camera, which gives detailed and vibrant selfies. Overall, for the price, this is one of the best camera phones you can buy. The Pixel One OA is packed with a 4,700 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day with normal usage. Google has optimized its software so well that even heavy users will reach the end of the day without needing a second charge. Charging speed is around 27 W fast charging, which is not the fastest, but definitely an improvement over older models. You also get wireless charging, which is rare in mid-range phones. The Pixel One OA runs on Android 16, clean and bloat-free. Google promises 7 years of updates, meaning your phone stays fast and secure for a long time. The new AI features include live translation with improved accuracy, circle to search, AI call screening, AI wallpaper generator, audio magic eraser, smarter voice typing. These features make the Pixel One OA extremely smart and fun to use. The expected price of the Google Pixel One OA is between $399 to $449, depending on the region. The launch is expected around mid-2025, with availability in most global markets shortly after. The Pixel One OA stands out because of its AI features, software optimization, strong camera performance, clean Android interface, and long-term updates. While other brands offer higher specs on paper, the Pixel 1 AOE delivers real-world smoothness, stable performance, and reliable photography, something Google has always been great at. So that's everything you need to know about the Google Pixel 1 OA. If you want a smart, AI-powered phone with a great camera and long software support, the Pixel 1 OA is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.